Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to run TikTok ads for your Shopify dropshipping store, and it will be a step-by-step video for you guys. Whether you are new to dropshipping or want to tap into TikTok massive audience, this tutorial will walk you through. First of all, we are going to setting up your TikTok ads manager, then creating your first campaign, then targeting the right audience, and then optimize your conversation. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. So first of all, why TikTok ads work for dropshipping? Like, TikTok is one of the most powerful platforms for e-commerce in 2025. And why? Because of millions of active users daily, then fast paced content like fast attention, then low CPMs, cost per 100,000 views, and then valid or viral product potential. And unlike other platforms, you don't need a massive budget to start. That's why we are going to use TikTok, and that's why TikTok really works for dropshipping. So first of all, the step will be create a TikTok business and ads manager account. So to get started, you just need to be search here TikTok business in the Google. Just search here TikTok business, and once you search here, you will get the options here to get started tiktok.com. So here you just need to be click over here into this link. Once you click over here, then they will give you this interface where you can create an account from that place. So here I'm just click on start now. Once I click over here, it will take a while to reload, so we need to be wait a bit. Just click on, and here as you can see, you can sign up with TikTok or you can sign up manually. So I'm going to do it manually. Then I will provide a password. Let's copy my password. So I'm going to paste it here. Okay, there is just some mistake I did. So as you can see, this is our password, then confirm password, and I have a get and verification code. That for reason I will visit on Gmail, and here you can see we don't have any Gmail. So here I'm going to click on send code, and they give us these options. Let's click on save and select two objects that are the same shape. So let's find out which shape. This one and this one totally the similar. So just click on confirm, and now eventually you can see we will get this code over here. So please, they are giving us, please check your email address is correct. Please check TikTok in your inbox. We will send email from TikTok for business. So here already get an code. I just copy it and paste it here. Then select this one and just click on sign up. Once I click on sign up, then eventually you can see they are telling us create advertise account. So I need to create an advertise account. So I'm going to give a name, the Clowherd. Then it's optional. Then they are telling us to choose e-commerce. Then let's select cloth and customize your account more. You can customize it. Then you can select your country if you haven't. So I'm going to select United States for here. So there is no United States, so this is really sad for us. So let's click with Korea Republic of, then click on continue. So you need to be fill this one. Once you've done, then you will enter to this advanced panel where you can easily create your TikTok account or TikTok ad for your business. So first of all, when you come back to this panel, here you just need to be click on Shopify store for free. So you just need to be create an Shopify account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login. On I click over here, then it will landed us to this platform. Here you can see this is our website, this Shopify platform, and if you eventually want to see the content, you are allowed to do it. So here I just need to be click on apps. Once I click over here, now I need to be add a plugin that's called TikTok app. So I'm going to search it here into the search panel, TikTok. Just enter it and just click on TikTok. As you can see, this is our TikTok platform, and here you can see works with checkout page categories, and it is not compatible. This app is not compatible with your address, so there is some problem, but it is free to install. So now let's come back to Shopify App Store, and I'm going to search this TikTok pixel, and let's hit enter. And here we have couple of options. You can see it, TikTok pixel and API, then let's just multi TikTok pixel. So we have couple of, but this one is official from TikTok, so I'm going to work with this one. Just click over here, and now let's click on install. Once I click over here, they will give us option to install it. I'm just going to click on install, and it will take a while to install it, so you need to keep patient for it. Once it install, now let's click on navigate it. Now here you can see setup guide, so you need to set up your TikTok pixel with this platform. Just click on TikTok pixel, enable Parkour, Facebook pixel and API in your theme. Just click on activate. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the editing panel where you need to be enable this TikTok Parkour for your Shopify store. Just click over here. Now click on save. Once you click over here save, then eventually it will be already did work over that place. As you can see, app status off. Just click on turn on, and here you can see it has been installed. Here we have couple of options called report setting and live diagnostic. Just click on live diagnostic, and here you can see this is the configurations and live events. Let's click on select pixels, then click on open store. It will give you this store, and here you just need to be integrate your pixel. Just add pixel, and then click on connect. Once you click over here, it will be connected. Click on accept it, click on confirm, authorize successfully. As you can see, it has been connected, and as you can see, fill TikTok accent token. Like when you fully completed your account, then you will allow to add these keys. Let's click on how it works. So here you can see how really TikTok works. So 5 easy steps you to get started with TikTok. Like create your ad manager account, we already did. Then define the objective of your campaign. Like let me tell you, if you ever run any ad in Facebook or Twitter, this is the similar kind of process you need to be follow on TikTok. So this is not a difficult, this is really simple. You can easily complete your profile, and then you can easily comply your ad on TikTok. Then you need to select your target audience. Once you've done, you can see it.
Creating your TikTok ad is defining the.
You can watch this video to know further. Then what is custom audience? If you want to further know about custom audience, then you can read this article. It will helpful for you. Then in the step 4, you just need to add your budget on the campaign. Like TikTok let you set your bid and daily spend, and you have got the tools to help you succeed within your budget, manage ad delivery and measure performance. Next step will be choose the video for your campaign. Like you can choose video for your own, or you can use video from influencer or any kind of typical video on your product. Then once you're done, then you will get eventual options called publish. Once you click on publish, then it will be successfully published for on your TikTok. So the process is really simple. I hope this video was really helpful, and if you think you learned many things from this video, don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the like button. Until then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.